iPhone XS Max welding pound dot array cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone XS Max with iOS 18 system where Face ID is unavailable. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the Pound L3 repair instrument. Plug in dot matrix activation expansion board will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out Pound dot array cable. Put the dot matrix cable on expansion board for testing. Test display normal. Take out the dot matrix cable and take it for welding. Grinding along the weld. Remove the MOS tube. Two potentials shorted together. Remove the cable and clean it. Apply flux installed to Pound dot array cable top. Use Pound special glue to cure. Snap the welded front camera onto the expansion board. Test display normal. Connect your phone to the Pound programmer. Display bind. Test display write success. Test display exist data. Attach the front-facing camera back to your phone. Face ID has been successfully repaired.